Hi, this is James with Mobility Quad. Here we have a commissioned Can-Am 2024, and with this Can-Am, what it does is it allows the person in the wheelchair to drive on the passenger side. So this ramp here is a power ramp. The seats fold in, so when the wheelchair enters, you have plenty of room. Also, the driver's seat will pivot, rotate in and out. And what that does, it also allows for the wheelchair to come in. Once the wheelchair is in, it secures itself with this easy lock. That easy lock also is on a track, and it goes forward and backwards, and it adjusts to the individual in the wheelchair. What's really special about this UTV, this mobility quad, is the person in the wheelchair can drive with the joystick. So now they're able to brake with the joystick by pushing this forward and throttle with this system. They can also steer and drive with this system. So this system is fully adjustable for different individuals, different wheelchairs, stuff like that. Also, there's a door over there that opens. These chairs, they do come down for additional seating. So if you have family members that want to go with you. So this particular mobility quad is designed for the son. And what's going to happen is the son is going to drive with the joystick and the hand controls. However, the father will always ride with him, and in case the son gets in trouble, is having a little bit of difficulty, or whatever the case may be, the father can take over and still use the brakes, still use the steering wheel, still apply throttle. He is still in control of the unit, but the driver can give control to the joystick. And as you've seen, it turns, it throttles, it brakes. So this system is extremely adaptive. This system also has four-wheel drive. It has AC and heat. This particular one has power windows. Let's go to the other side, and we'll take a look at the other side. These windows do come in and out. You have a screen. So over here, you can see all the room that you'll have. This is also a power window, and there's the joystick. This system allows, once again, the person in the wheelchair, he has a right dominant hand to be able to steer and drive this UTV. And if he does get in trouble, the driver in the driver's seat can take over control. So with this system, it's pretty special because this system would have really worked for my dad. So a lot of you may not know, my dad was in a wheelchair for 42 years. When I first started building these, I built one for him. And I think this system right here that I have right now would have been perfectly ideal for him. So right now, my father, he did pass away, just an FYI, or else he would have something just like this. So we're pretty proud of this unit here at Mobility Quad. So If you have any questions, come visit us at mobilityquad.com, and we can answer your questions or build one for you and your family.